What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Marcus here with Mile High Customs, and today behind me we got the Porsche GT3RS. This is a 991.1 edition, and as you can see the vehicle is already starting to be taken apart. This is going to complete color change. We are going from this particular color to a satin white and vinyl. As you can see, as we said, most of this assembly, or should say, has been started right now. So we're going to be changing this to this color, to a satin white. We're also going to be doing a few things with the vehicle. As you can see, there's been a couple decals taken off. This vehicle originally had like a matte black vinyl on top, also had a yellow stripe. Pretty much the yellow stripe was going across the whole vehicle with matte black hood, roof, and trunk area. We removed all of that for them. They do not want that on the vehicle anymore. These decals that are on the side that do have the GT3RS, these are a custom decal that are on the vehicle. We'll be removing these as well, but the client does want these back on, so we will have to reprint these and put them back on. So that will be going back on. But other than that, most of it's going to be a complete color change. We're going to do a little bit of details and decals. This particular customer of ours, he's been a long time customer, and he kind of likes to change things as we do the wrap. So we don't exactly know everything that we're going to do. We're just kind of going to go ahead, touch base with him, and he'll add a lot of small details to the wrap. So expect to see some other colors and different details throughout the wrap according to the satin white and the decals going on. But as you can see, guys, we're getting started on this thing. So I'm gonna shoot it over to the guys, let them complete it, and then we'll see when we get done.
Like we mentioned, this car is going to be going satin white. Zephyr and Centennial are going to be starting with the roof. Whenever doing a panel like this, it's definitely nice to have someone help you not only release the liner of the film, but to also help you glass it out and stretch it. Next, we're going to be starting with the rear hatch, and like I said again, someone is going to be helping us not only release the liner, but to also stretch it across these hard buttons. Next up is the front bumper. Robert has already disassembled everything, including the grills and each pieces inside of the front bumper. That way we can get maximum coverage, and so you also get the coverage. We are going to be removing the original graphics, wrapping the vehicle, and then putting the graphics back on. The customer did also want to add some custom GT3RS graphics on the side of the wing and a Porsche graphic on the top of the spoiler. Go ahead and start adding the graphics on the side of the wing. Custom graphics, and they were working on the factory. However, the customer did want the same type of graphics back on, so we were able to print them and install them just We are also going to be using in a yellow film. The customer wanted a little bit more of a race car feel, so we were able to locate this film from a company called S-Tech. This film is called the Dyno Amber and completed that race car look for the customer.
Y'all ready?
What's up guys? Well, the GT3RS is finally done, but as we mentioned before, we really had no idea what we were doing, because again, with this particular client, he was gonna tell us on the way. So as we talked about originally, we were doing the satin white wrap on this. This is Avery Dennison satin white vinyl. So we did complete that, but that was the only thing that we knew what was going on. So let's kind of go over everything that touched base throughout the week to see what we completed on this vehicle. So along with the Avery Dennison satin white vinyl, what we did is we're trying to figure out what we want to do with the stripes. So he wanted to take the middle stripe and just go up through the hood, on the roof, to the back of the trunk there, and he wanted to keep that. As we talked about before, the GT3RS kind of custom decals on the side of the vehicle, we were going to keep those. So that was something that he definitely wanted to keep, and I was a fan of it. It looks great on the vehicle. But another thing that we were kind of deciding on when it comes to basically the vinyl on the vehicle is going to be the spoiler. We were debating on, do you want to go white? Do you want to go black? Well, we decided to keep it satin black and go with the Porsche decals in white, and I think it's a great touch because it ties in to basically the idea of what's going on in the rear of the vehicle, and the whole spoiler just tying into being satin black for us. Now it comes to basically the customer's touch here. This wasn't all on us, this is basically what he wanted to do. As you can see, we have the yellow brake calipers, and he wanted to have a yellow accent here right here on the rocker. So what we had to do, we got the paint code from Porsche to get everything painted to match exactly the way the brake calipers were. And you know what? I think it came out looking good. Again, it's the customer's touch and it ties right into what he wants to do. But as I say, we weren't done. He wanted to go ahead and go with the yellow lights with the headlights and the fog lamps. We tried a couple different headlight tints there, but we end up going with an actual headlight PPF through Steck. This is their Force Shield Amber. And you know what? As far as the yellow tones are concerned, I think it came out really good as far as what the customer wanted to see and what he wanted to look like. He wanted it more yellow and then get that yellow touch to it. And again, this is a PPF, so it does protect the headlights and the fog lights for you. So again, there could be more coming, but as of right now, this is what we did. Again, so we have the satin white vinyl, we have some custom stripes down the middle of the vehicle, we do have the custom GT3RS decals down the side, we matched the rocker in the yellow, and we topped it off with Steck's Force Shield PPF in the amber color. So guys, let us know what you think about this. I mean, was he doing too much with the yellow? Is it just right? Did it come out perfect, or was it, yeah, as they say, doing too much countdown? You know what, I think it came out great. Again, we like to bring everybody's vision to life, and this was something that, again, we were gonna find out on the way, but that's the fun part of the job. Let us know what you think in the comments. Another Porsche in the books for us, Mile High Customs. We'll catch you on the next one. We out of here. Peace out.